Here's an example of how you're going to annotate a student assignment that they have uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and click on the assignment, and then I recommend view all submissions. I'll see that this student here, Chem 4, has submitted an assignment for grading. It was a Word file. So I'm going to go ahead and click the grade button. Katie has now turned the student's Word document into a PDF, and I'm going to do a few things here while I'm annotating. You'll see that this hand here is gray. That means that this tool is currently selected. That is a move tool, which allows me to move the page. Most of the time, you're going to want to have the cursor, the select tool, selected. And then there's a few things that you can do once you've clicked on the select tool. The first thing you can do is if you click on stamps, you can apply stamps. You'll click here to choose which stamp you would like to use. So I'm going to start with the green check mark so I can check next to everything that the student got right. And I can switch to the red X for anything that the student might have gotten wrong. You can click and hold to make really big X's. And if at any time you want to delete an annotation you've already created, click back on the arrow here, the select tool, click on the annotation that you made, and you'll see this little trash can appear. Click that trash can for it to go away. So that is the stamp. You also have these annotations here, which all of them are, the color is controlled by this ink drop. So if I decide to click blue ink drop, this is the pen tool, which allows me to write or do things like circle. The line tool allows me to draw a straight line. The square tool allows me to draw a square around a section, and the circle creates a circle. You will also have a highlighter here, which will allow you to highlight text in the student's paper. Just like anything else, if you would like to delete a shape after you've made it, click on the cursor, the select tool, then click on the annotation and click the trash can to get rid of it. If you would like to leave Post-it style comments on the paper, you will click the comments box here. If you'd like to change the color, you can adjust the color here. And you'll go to the section where you'd like to leave your comments and draw a square and type in your comments here. If at a later time you decide you'd like to go back and delete a comment, once again, click on the cursor select tool, hover over the comment, click this white box with the arrow in it, and choose delete comment. This is the first page of my student's paper. To get to the next page, I'll just click this arrow over. I'll make some circles. I'll add some smiley faces here at the end. Perhaps add one final additional comment. And then don't forget, if you'd like to grade the paper, you can give a student a grade out of 100 here, or whatever grade they've set, and then be sure to click Save Changes when you're done. If I go back to view all submissions, I'll see that this student now, Kim 4, who has now been graded, they've got a grade of 100. Here is their original file, and here is the annotated PDF that I shared with them. For an example of what your student will see, if I log in as this student, go to the course and click on the assignment. The student will see all of the information about their submission here, and they might tell you that they don't see their grade. What they actually need to do is scroll down, and here they will see the grade that they received, who graded it, and here will be a link that they can click on to open the annotated PDF and view the annotations that their instructors made. You'll notice that comments will actually show up as a hyperlink that takes you to an index of comments here at the end.